In this video, we will cover the basics of making money online for beginners. We'll explore various methods and opportunities available on the internet. This includes understanding affiliate marketing, utilizing freelancing platforms, exploring online surveys and task sites, and creating a passive income stream by selling digital products and participating in print-on-demand services. By the end of this video, you'll have a good grasp of the diverse avenues for making money online as a beginner, empowering you to take the first steps towards generating income through the internet. This segment delves into the concept of affiliate marketing and how beginners can initiate their journey in this field. It explains the process of promoting products and earning commissions online through affiliate marketing programs. Viewers will learn how to choose the right products or services to promote, how to generate affiliate links, and the various channels through which they can effectively market these products. Additionally, it will cover strategies for maximizing earnings and the potential pitfalls to avoid. By the end of this segment, beginners will have a clear understanding of affiliate marketing and the initial steps to take in this lucrative field. This section focuses on popular freelancing platforms and how beginners can leverage their skills to offer services and earn income online. It covers an overview of well-known freelancing websites and the types of services in demand. Viewers will understand how to create an appealing profile, submit proposals, and effectively communicate with potential clients. Additionally, it discusses different pricing strategies and the importance of creating a professional portfolio. By the end of this segment, beginners will have the knowledge and confidence to kickstart their freelancing career and begin earning income through online platforms. This segment delves into the potential of earning money through online surveys and microtask websites. It explores the various platforms that offer these opportunities and provides insights into the strategies for maximizing earnings in this area. Viewers will gain an understanding of how to identify legitimate survey and task sites, tips for efficiently completing tasks, and optimizing time management to increase overall earnings. Additionally, it will cover the potential drawbacks and risks associated with such platforms. By the end of this segment, beginners will have a comprehensive understanding of the opportunities and challenges within the realm of online surveys and microtasks. This section provides an overview of passive income opportunities available online, catering specifically to beginners. It encompasses the creation and sale of digital products, such as e-books, online courses, and digital artwork, as well as the utilization of print-on-demand services for customized merchandise. Viewers will gain insights into the various avenues for generating passive income and the steps involved in getting started. Additionally, it will highlight the potential benefits and challenges associated with each passive income opportunity. By the end of this segment, beginners will have a clear understanding of the diverse passive income streams available to them online.